Department of Sport and Youth Affairs kala Pynkup Burom ki khana janga Jylla Meghalaya ki bala wanra Burom haka Nongialehkai baper bala Shillong haka North East Second Olympic Games bala long dangshan ha Shillong haka ni ka program Pynkup Burom ladan lang menteri rangba ukon rat ke sang ma kumu kongsan ubala ai ka jingkran ru haka te ka sngi de ka ba uyaro ki samla ki ba Lekkai bha bal wanra ru ka jing sngo sarong ya ka Jylla baro ka wei Nakalyang menteri rangba ulayat hu ba nakalyang ka sorkar kan ajing erap ki samla ki banna je khun ha ki sport baper kumba pra hajar la ni khandai hajar tengka bar ka songru gar kum ka jingyo medal jongki ula ong ru ba ka jing erap na ka sorkar kanom kut kan ne beteng man ka por hakate ka jan me lai don lang u president ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association ba John F Khur bat ki we ki reu pau khman ki samla it sports kilarwai sngoten nat hakani ka jingelang Pynkup Burom ki Nongialehkai sports joka Meghalaya.
Let's look at how we all got back. Let's look at how we all got here. It is because of the dynamic leadership and vision of our Honourable Chief Minister, along with Sri Bantedo Lingdo, Honourable Minister of Sports, and assisted with a very fast-paced, lightning Commissioner of Sports, working along with his officials and with Team MSOA, where we have slowly but surely achieved and crossed important milestones, starting with the decision by the Honourable Chief Minister of Meghalaya to bring in a whole new paradigm shift in the approach to sports.
These are very positive things for our youth, and it's important that press should sometimes give attention to the good things also that are happening. So first of all, we'd like to, we have had this program today, and the purpose of this program was to felicitate the athletes and the sports persons who have made the state proud in the recently conducted Northeast Olympics, and also to congratulate and thank the sports department officials and the MSOA and the different associations that have done an excellent job in conducting the games, and it was something that was unprecedented and has really in a way raised the level of these kind of tournaments that are happening, and I hope that in the future also we'll be able to continue.
And you know you can't survive when you feel like hope is gone. Look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth that a hero life